ECOVACS WINBOT Mini Window Cleaning Robot. Compact design. Dual nozzles with ultrasonic spray. 9-stage protection system. Intelligent path planning. 3 cleaning modes. Anti-slipping system. Brand ECOVACS. Model name WINBOT Mini. Special feature robotic. Color gray. Product dimensions 8.46L. x 8.46W x to 0.17H. Surface recommendation. Glass. Controller type. App control. Item weight. 2.5 kilograms. Are batteries included? Number. Slim and compact design, besides floor-to-ceiling windows. Small-sized windows, frameless or tilting windows. WINBOT Mini's uniquely small. Thin design allows it to reach areas other robotic window cleaners can't. The WINBOT Mini can now clean small windows with a single side. Length less than 30 centimeters. And windows with handles the distance between the handle and the glasses. Around 50 to 80 millimeters. Ultrasonic water spray system. WINBOT Mini. With an ultrasonic water spray system offers superior cleaning by atomizing water into a fine mist, which efficiently removes tough stains while using minimal water. This feature ensures an even, streak-free finish without excess runoff, making it gentle on glass surfaces, including delicate windows. The system's eco-friendly design reduces the need for harsh detergents and frequent water refills, while its adaptability to various conditions ensures effective cleaning on dusty or oily surfaces. 9-stage protection system. With the 9-tier protection system from both hardware and software support, WINBOT Mini offers a high level of window cleaning safety along with cleanliness. The whole protection system includes 6-stage hardware-based fall protection measures, 2-stage intelligent protection, and accidental damage insurance. Intelligent path planning. WINBOT Mini's powerful WindSlam 3.0 helps the robot automatically plan the most efficient cleaning path with minimal effort. Detect the window frame and size to optimize cleaning coverage. Effortlessly avoid obstacles taller than 4 millimeters for smooth operation even on complex window structures and employs strategic avoidance for obstacles up to 50 millimeters high. It also has 3 customized cleaning modes: fast cleaning, thorough cleaning, and spot cleaning. You can effortlessly achieve sparkling clean windows. Edge detection technology. WINBOT Mini achieves ultimate edge cleaning by removing the bumper rails, which brings ultimate cleanliness with up to 99.5% coverage. The WINBOT Mini is equipped with mutable sensors that can smoothly bypass obstacles and prevent jamming. Users can say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime, hiding in those hard-to-reach edges and corners.